Alright guys, so this is not my typical install video. This is basically just like an initial review video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candy's Hair Diary, and I do a lot of crochet videos, some sew-in videos, braidless, tape-ins, and a little bit of makeup. And I'm starting to get into some lifestyle vlogs as well, but mainly crochet styles. So that's why I literally, or I'm not gonna say literally, but I did not do this video as an install video, because you guys seen me do actually this style before, but it's been like a while. So I will definitely link that video in the description box below, so you can see how I did this. But I did show you guys my braid pattern that I always use, so I stuck with that, and I still have my undercut in the back. Probably just gonna keep that since I need something a little funky instead of shaving my head again. So I will link all that below in the description box if you want to literally see me crochet these in, and I'll also link my braid pattern video as well down below. Like I said, this is basically initial review video of this hair, Amazon hair. This is 14 inches. I did a longer install of this on the video that I've linked below. The locks were longer, but these are your general, your river locks or bohemian crochet locks as well. It's the same thing. On the 14 inches, I like the 14 inches because it's not too long and it's not too short, and I didn't want anything too overpowering, since all the sew-ins that I've been wearing have been 24 or 26 inch. So I wanted something a little bit shorter, a little bit easier to maintain, a little bit easier to put up in a bun or a ponytail if I wanted to, and just something that my kid is not going to pull. So initially, I do love the curl pattern of this hair. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. I didn't really want like a wave, but I wanted something like in between. The curls are not, so far, frizzy or anything. They have like a good little crisp to it, but it's not like it's going to be like hard. Now, will this hair matte? I have no idea, which I will do a video, a final video of this hair to make sure, or not just to make sure, but to let you guys know if it does matte or not. If it does matte, I would actually just cut off like these little pieces and probably like crochet some curly hair in between, so I can still have the same boho look without having to take this all the way out and reinstall with new hair. But so far so good. It did not have, it had like a little faint smell, but I just put this hair in, what's today, Monday? I just put this hair in yesterday or the day before, Saturday. I put this hair in 2 days ago. My days running together. Yeah, so I don't smell anything now. So like I said, it had a tiny faint factory smell to it, but I didn't put on anything on it. I didn't even put any mousse on it. I put some braid vitamin E spray in my scalp, and that's been it. Other than that, the maintenance has been pretty low. I will either put a scarf on it to preserve my edges and then put my bunny on, or sometimes when I'm just around the house in the middle of the day, I'll just flip it upside down and throw a bonnet on it just to get it out my face. Other than that, I definitely like this hair, guys. It's definitely low to no maintenance, which is what I've been going for, because like I said, I've been doing my weaves and now I'm just tired of curling, and when I don't curl, it just be in a bun or be in a ponytail. So at least I can go out decent without having to use any hot tools and still have my curls. I will definitely let you guys know how this hair ends up being, if it ends up being too much or if it's pretty good. I know they have several colors, but I wanted to kind of stick with black or off black for the winter time. and see how that looks. And I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna give this hair a thumbs up for my initial review. I will link where I got it from Amazon, but I will link all the details of this. It comes with the 8 packs. I use 6 packs. I also don't have a full head, so you would probably maybe use like 7 packs if I had hair in the back. So yeah, it was more than enough for me doing my method. It was more than enough for me. I didn't have to do 2 orders. I only had to do 1 order. So yeah, that's all I got. And as usual, I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.